In this video, we will review how to add and subtract radical expressions. So we're going to start with this one, 5 square roots of 3 minus 2 square roots of 3. And during this process, you can always come back to what you know to be true about variables. So if I had something like 5x minus 2x, I would subtract the 5 and the 2 and get 3x. The variable is going to stay the same. I can also only do this because the variable is the same. They are like terms. So in this radical expression, I have like terms here of the square root of 3. So that means that I can subtract these values. 5 minus 2 is positive 3, and these are like terms. I'm going to bring this down. So my answer here is 3 square roots of 3. So now what happens when I have like terms and I have one that is not a like term? Well, I am going to combine only the things that are like terms. So 3 square roots of 2 minus 5 square roots of 2. And make sure that you bring the sign with it. So like this is minus 5, negative 5 roots of 2. Simplify your like terms. And there you have it. Now, let's look at this example here. On the surface, it looks like I have no like terms. All of these are different. But I know that I can factor these. So I'm going to do that and see what happens. So I have 3 square roots of 2. I can't simplify that anymore. But square root of 45, I can say is 9 times 5. We'll bring this down. Minus the square root of 9 is 3. And bring down this root 5. Okay? So now I'm going to look at this next part, the negative 2 and the square root of 18. So that's 9 and 2. Well, the square root of 9 is 3. And then we'll leave the square root of 2 as it is. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 square roots of 2. And now I actually do have like terms. So just because it might not look like you have like terms in the original question, if you are able to factor any of the radicals, do that, because you might be able to actually simplify this expression even if it doesn't look like it. So 3 minus 6 is negative 3. Square root of 2 minus 3 roots of 5. That is our value. That is our answer. So take that same idea and pause the video and see if you can simplify or subtract this expression. Here is our work for it. We want to make sure we remember, if I can factor the radicand, I am going to do that. And so I did each of those separately. And then at the end, I wrote it all out and combined my like terms.